Your clients have problems, but you are busy. Problems pile up, people get mad, they leave, and you lose money. Most agencies never fix this, or they take forever to do client support. But the smart agencies use GoHighLevel's AI to do all of this in minutes. I used one prompt, that's it. Pasted it in, and GoHighLevel AI built the entire customer support system. And the goal of this video is simple. You set up customer support, your clients get more help, you stop losing clients, you make more money. Let's jump right in. So I'm just going to get right to the point. And the point is that customer support for GoHighLevel agencies, SaaS agencies, and marketing agencies is actually one of the most important parts. No joke, I see them botch this every time. And one of the reasons why is because they're front end obsessed. They're just obsessed with getting the clients. You may be like that. Yes, you watching. And I'm telling you right now, if you want to keep people long term, you have to be focused on the back end. And the reason I have this pipeline pulled up is the front end is all of this. It's the new lead. It's the initial contact, getting them in the door and selling them. But if we scroll all the way to the side of this GoHighLevel pipeline, you will see that there's a bunch of shit that happens after you close said deal. And that's the customer support. And that's actually one of the most important parts, because as you see here, when you do a good job, you can upsell them. Okay, it is said in sales that second money is easier than first money. Okay, and I absolutely agree with that. It is way easier to sell people more stuff when you've done a good job for them than finding new people. Like, this is one of the easiest ways to actually make more money. I think part of the problem is that people think, oh, you just got to sell more people. You got to sell more people. Now, absolutely attaining customers is paramount, very important. But with customer support, you got to keep the people you have and then make them happy to bring them to the next level. Because when you do a good job for someone on a high level, it naturally opens up more problems, which then leads to you giving them a new solution, which is the triangle of upselling, which is something you need to learn. And in this video, before we can even go through that, we have to learn something very important, which is customer support. So what I've done is I've built out this prompt. This took a while to build. Again, I told you with these prompts, I build them and then they don't work, and then I have to rebuild them until they work. So this one finally works. It has one master support automation, one AI voice agent, and one AI chatbot. And these essentially build out all of the support you're going to need to help people stay on high level. Very important. I recommend you actually do this ASAP if you have clients, because you need to have support lines set up. I cannot tell you how many of the people I talk to that don't have this and their people hate them. Marketing agencies have a bad rep for a reason. Okay, so this prompt is completely free right down below when you get into my free community, but let's go through this. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this entire thing, we're going to copy it, okay? It's called the customer support agency prompt, and we're going to come right in here to ask AI. So if we come right over here, this will be this feature right up here. So we're going to click it, and we're going to paste this entire thing right into here, and we're going to click enter. And the whole goal is we're going to have AI build this all out, and then we'll just make the final tweaks to get this thing fully dialed in, so that after the sale, you can get this set up. And guys, I'm going to say this again. This is so important. You have to understand this. If you do not get this right, I'm telling you, your clients will leave. This isn't me just saying random shit here. I see this all the freaking time. People leave because they don't feel like they're getting the proper support, or they're on a different page, and it's just terrible. I've been through this myself. Yeah, you don't want to be there. So let's let this prompt roll and let's build it out. And then boom, it's going to basically prompt to say all the stuff it's creating. As you see here, look at this prompt. It's creating custom fields, tags, AI chatbot support, AI voice agent, pipeline, workflow, and email templates. So it's even building the emails. It's doing all of this. So we just want to click yes, build the support department. Boom. So it has gone through and created all this. We're just going to have it give us the prompt for, okay, the automation builder, so we can build out the automation. Other than that, everything is pretty much already done. So we're going to say, give me the automation prompt so I can copy and paste. All right, perfect. So we now have this entire automation that is from this initial prompt, but we have to basically take this and copy and paste this into the automation builder. So we're going to copy this. You're going to come in another tab to automation, go to build using AI, and we're going to paste this right in just like this. Then we're going to click enter, and it is going to build out the support automation. Once this is built, we're then going to go over it, and then I'm going to go in and I'm going to show you everything this built, which if we come right here, it's all built, which we have all of this other stuff. It's built all this, the emails, everything. It's all been done in one. Boom, look at this automation. Look how insane this is. This is what this just spit out. And this is what we want. We want the ultimate support system. So before I go through, tweaking this and getting this all set up, I want to go through and show you exactly what Ask AI created with this prompt. So if we come back here, we're just going to refresh this page. We're going to go through everything this created, because I want to make sure you see it. So pipelines, we already had that, but if we come right in here, you will see it has the pipeline. We already had that, so we don't need another one. Email templates. So if you come in, you come right into marketing emails templates. Let's check it out. Marketing emails templates. Boom. Look at that. Dude, it's so awesome. We got all of that done. You'll see June 13th. That is the date of today. Beautiful. So we have all of those down. So as you guys see, these are legit emails done and dusted. So we have emails created that are built to help out and do all this stuff. So this is already all dialed, which is huge. Like, guys, before I keep going through this, this is really important. People will see these prompts and be like, oh, I can just do this. I can just do that. Like, it's not as simple as just asking ChatGPT to give you a prompt. It's actually quite complicated because AI has to be very literal and get the right thing to build out everything. And this prompt, the one I'm giving you, is building out all of this, and it's building out the right emails, not any emails, but the right emails. So we have the email templates in there now. The workflow, which you guys just saw, is this right here. Let's see, connect to AI chatbot. Let's see our chatbots. We're gonna come to AI agents, voice AI. We're gonna go to agent list. AI voice support agent, beautiful. Let us test this real quick.
Thank you for calling our support line. To pull up your account, could I please get your name and the email address?
Beautiful. Okay, that's looking good. Conversation AI, agent list, AI support specialist. Beautiful. You're definitely gonna want email configured. By the way, guys, if you have any questions on like how to do email on GoHighLevel or any of this, just drop a comment down below and I'll hook you up because there's so many other tutorials. But for support, you want all of these live because it's going to make it work much better. But right now we're just verifying. Okay, we got that. So that is everything completely dialed. Now what I want to do is I want to go through and make sure you have everything set up. So we're going to start with the automation first. So first things first, make sure that you have your pipeline properly configured. It should be set up. You can always go right in here if you don't understand. Click this little errors found and come right here and click ask AI to resolve, and AI is going to go through and resolve these. So if we click this one, for example, this is just the easy way to fix your automations. Boom, boom, boom. No. It says complete these steps. Okay, perfect. So it's going to go through, tell you exactly what to do or do it for you. That's an easy way to fix all of these. So you don't have any of these warning signs. You want to go through and make sure all this set up. Again, as you see here, all of this stuff is already filled out. Like it already has all of that. You just need to put in the from, name, and all that stuff. And what I recommend you do is go to settings and put this in globally. Okay, pick the number in the email. That way it pre-populates across the board. If you don't know anything about automations, drop a comment down below. I'll send you a tutorial. It's very simple. But from there, you just go through and you connect to the basics. Because again, guys, everything is already done. You're not fixing this and adding to it. You are just putting in the right stuff, like the pipeline you have, the stages you have, which again, this exact prompt created all that. So go through and make sure you have all of that done and dusted. And as always, once you're done, click draft to publish, then test your workflow, which you can click test, pick a contact, and run it through it. Very important to make sure it's working. A lot of you guys get these workflows and you don't test it, and then you don't know if it works or not. You always have to test your workflows before you run them. Otherwise, it will not work. Again, questions, drop them down below, but this is already done. It's just setting the last little tweaks like proper pipeline stage and whatever you have to make it work. Again, if you don't know anything about automations, drop a comment down below and I will get you covered. But from there, our entire automation is done. But really what we have is more important because this is already done. It's really the chatbots that you're going to need to configure. So you're going to want to come to AI agents. We'll go to voice AI first. I'm just going to go through this as quickly as possible, but this is what you need to make sure you do. So first things first, you're going to want to put in potentially a name if you want it to sound better. You want to put your business name in, pick the exact voice you want. And what you want to do is you want to put in your agency name. So like, hey, you're contacting Grow With Us, blah, blah, blah. That way it's matching your business. From there, everything else is already configured. Like the settings, again, just like the automation, everything is already set up. It's just fine tuning the little details. Again, if you don't know anything about AI voice agents on HighLevel, drop a comment down below so I can hook you up because this is a whole different kind of skill set. But from there, it's already all dialed and you just have to connect the basic stuff and then you're good to go. Again, making it match your business. Same thing with agent list. Come to the support agent, make sure all of this is properly set up. You're going to want to have like all this stuff toggled on because it looks very, very good. And then the same thing. We'll save that. We'll go to bot goals and just make sure that it matches your business name. Other than that, you're pretty much done. Like it's not complicated. And I built this to be as simple as possible. We don't want to be going all over the place. We just want to have the proper customer support in place. From there, you can really help delete some of these problems. Like for example, if we're going to come right back to opportunities, I want to show you this. When you come in, a lot of my other videos are focused on the front end. So the sales are all dialed in. But once you get someone in, it's very important, especially let's say we got Jordan Smith, we onboarded them. It's very important to have really good support through this entire process using all this stuff I'm giving you, like especially this AI prompt, because what's going to end up happening is once you get them, if you can solve the problem you promised, it's going to open up more opportunities for you to sell them more shit. Not because you're just trying to sell random stuff, but because they're naturally going to have problems if you help them grow. That is where this kind of stuff which is what we set up, the email, chatbots, all this stuff to basically talk to them when they have questions. So, hey, I have a question. Hey, I have this. It's going to go through, build up these support tickets and go, hey, we can help you out. We can take care of you. Because this automation plus these AI chatbots are going to go through and nurture and continue to give them the TLC they need. From there, it's going to be like, oh my gosh, okay, we like them, but it's also going to keep the line of communication going. Then from there, all we quite frequently need to do is come into the upsell, which I have other videos on this and we're going to talk about here in a second. But then from there, it's just going down the line of just helping them more and also getting reviews, which is really important. And I'm telling you right now, you can't get a review if you have bad customer support. It's really hard because if you don't give them customer support, even if you do a good job, they're going to think you're on a different page. So make sure you do this, and that's how you're really going to get this entire thing juiced up. So essentially, that is all you have to do. It's a very simple process. If you have questions, drop them down below. If you guys want access to more help with this, like, hey, I want this prompt, but I don't really want to like set it up alone, I have an entire free community, as you see right here, that you can get into completely for free with my 30-day free trial of HighLevel. Again, I really think this is the best community anywhere. One of the reasons being is we give away more than anyone else, but if you click the link down below, we just have more bonuses than anyone else too. So like, if you look at the testimonials on the page, you'll see them if you click the link down below. We genuinely have had beginners scale up and advanced people scale up. Most other courses online, they will just take someone that's already advanced to help them scale, which is cool, but the vast majority are beginners, and that's what matters. So in this group, we give you everything you need to succeed. So that's a private community to keep you motivated 24/7, all of the training modules you could possibly need, snapshots, sales scripts, which again, this exact prompt right here, all of this good stuff, fulfillment offers, Dominic's bonuses, I mean, everything you could need, but most importantly, we're giving away up to 7 live coaching calls you can attend for free. One's with me, one's with how to get help with clients. I mean, we have literally everything you could possibly need, tons of coaches. And again, it's all free. You can even message me whenever you want. Like, no one gives away the support. When I say over $15,000 worth of bonuses for free, I mean it. Like, I know I could just keep yapping about this, but I'm telling you, no one is doing it like I do it. Because again, I know how it feels to be lost in the space, not knowing where to go and not having any support. I've been there, and I'm trying to mitigate that for you so you don't have to go through that. But I also know I can help you. But this is how sure I am that this is great, is I'm going to give you the 30-day free trial and all this for free. And if you don't like it after 30 days, you can cancel. That's how sure I am. Like, I'm serious. I'm not just getting you locked into something where it's like, oh, pay me $10K. No, try it out. If you don't like it, leave. Simple as that. No bad blood. So that's very simple. You just sign up with that 30-day free trial down below or upgrade under me. But if you've already upgraded fully on HighLevel and you need to get in, we have another link you can get to. But one last thing I want to show you is we're running these 30-day challenges quite frequently where you come in and everyone gets together on a special other call. It's not on the other one. It's a special call. And essentially the top 3 people get rewards. Okay, so for rewards, we give away hot leads, which is like free paying clients pretty much, and then Amazon gift cards. So that is also something we are doing constantly month to month, which are huge. It's called like the Agency Olympics. Very, very big. No one else is doing it like we do because we give really good awards away. Like free paying clients is an amazing award. And again, that is all here, and it is very awesome. So that's the way it works, guys. Not too complicated. Again, if you want access to this and all of these bonuses, go right down below, hit that 30-day free trial, and you will be good to go. So thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure, okay, if you have questions, drop them in the comments, but more importantly, I'm going to be linking a video that's going to be the ultimate automations tutorial on HighLevel. It's the most up-to-date tutorial I have. Please watch that, okay? Please watch that. It's very important because that's going to show you more about this automation side of things, because I think you may be confused with this, and that video is going to pop up here in 5 seconds. So I really think a lot of you guys need to watch it because a lot of you guys are letting AI do all of the work, but you're getting so far removed that you don't even know the process. So make sure you go and watch that because it could really, really help you. So thanks again for watching and participating, and watch the video that pops up right now.